We're back in P-Town. Welcome back to Trailheads. We're in Portsmouth, Ohio on a special mission. We're gonna go find another tunnel that I dug here at least 5 years ago. So since I was here last year, they actually installed a new cell phone tower, which you can see on some of the drone shots. It's up there. You can't really see it because of the trees. But when they put in this access road to service this cell phone tower, they really did a number on this hill, man. It looks like they cut down all kinds of trees that they didn't need to. And you already know I'm not too pleased about that. But luckily, they didn't plow through the tunnel that I dug, which is just over here. We're gonna go see if it's still up, and I don't know, somebody might even be living there. All right, so we're at the site, and I already see some stuff. Oh no, it looks like it caved in. Well, that's because people come up here and tear everything up. Yeah, it's done, unfortunately. This was it right here. So unfortunately, this was the entrance to the tunnel, and it went back 10 feet, and you can see somebody caved it in up there too. This had to have been the work of a person. Here's a box that I used to drag dirt out of the tunnel. There's busted up tarps, and I put this log here and was gonna make like a little terrace right here, and that was a fire pit. But yeah, somebody come up here and just destroyed everything as usual. Can't have nothing nice. So yeah, this is the old site. This is actually, I got my numbers wrong in the previous video, y'all. This is actually the second tunnel I dug. First one was in my backyard on Hutchins Street here in town. This was the second one. Technically the third one was the Hodge Lodge 1.0, the first one I built in Clifton Forge. And then the Hodge Lodge 2.0, which I'm building in Highland County, is actually the fourth. So yeah, but anyways, I'm kind of bummed out that this place is destroyed. Doesn't really surprise me since it's next to extremely low income housing. Yeah, it went back all the way into the hill. We're gonna have to bushwhack it a little bit. We're gonna go to the top of the hill to the cell phone tower and have a look around. We could head back to the access road, which is be a little bit easier, but there's a mess of trees that Sam couldn't bushwhack his way through. It took him a couple tries before he figured out a way to get around it. But anyways, cell phone tower is right there. I don't know if you can see it, but we're going up there next. I tell you what, this jacket's about to come off. Sam actually lost his jacket in the brambles over there, but we'll go find it for him on our way back to the car. Come on. Man, we really bushwhacked this one, didn't we? We just came from up there. That was really difficult. Come on, Sam. This is also new on the northeast corner of the hill. I don't know, it's looks like a big brick building. I can't tell from here though. Construction company maybe? Maybe it's gonna be a trucking company, I don't know. But they're making two huge buildings down there. You guys are witnessing Sam's alma mater. This hill is mostly where we trained Sam to hike and to follow us and to stop and to go, get in front of me, get behind me, all that good stuff. This hill will make you or break you. As you can hear, I'm breathing really hard. I don't know how, but I think they made this road right here steeper. Back when it was a bare trail, I don't feel like it was that steep. It was a lot more beautiful though back then. I swear, man, they did a lot of unnecessary destruction. Cutting down some trees I didn't need to. Then you got these trees marked with the blue. Does that mean they're coming back for them later? This tree is not threatening this road. It's access road. Made it to the top. Of course, that part's fenced in, but we don't need to go in there. Just come up here and enjoy the view now. But if you go around this fenced-in section, the trail actually continues down the other side. And that side, when it's all grown up in the summertime, is actually quite beautiful. There's even like a little field in the middle of the hill. Now here's one of two platforms that used to have, I think maybe TV antennas. I don't think it was cell phone back then because these have been deactive for as long as I know. I think there's another one down there that you can't see from here. We're not going down this side of the hill. We're gonna go back the easy way that we came. But I just wanted to show you guys, if anybody's familiar with the area, how much has changed in just the last year. Well guys, this was just a short video to let you know we're still alive and kicking. And to let you know what we're doing. We're here in Ohio right now. And it's been a pretty okay day actually. It's 41 degrees and I'm sweating in December. It's crazy. I don't know. But anyways, we got Sam back here behind me. We're about to head back to the car, call it a day, go back to the hotel. Until next time, guys, take nothing but photos and leave nothing but footprints. Trailheads out, baby. So this is the mess that we walked through earlier. And I guess Sam tried to go under this branch and his jacket came off, so we had to come back for it.